It appears they are finally awakening. You're all right. Oh, thank goodness. Do you know where you are? Do you remember your name? Please, speak. Tell me your name. Can you speak? Very good. It seems that for the most part, you're coherent. What happened to you? We saw you getting in a fight with that monster, and we wanted to help. Well, I just mean myself. It's kind of a strange thing. We usually talk like we're a group of people. I'm certain it's the same with most humans. But we're not here talking about me. How do you feel? You had many cuts and bruises. You must have been in quite the trouble. I swear, the most terrible things happen to those who are unsuspecting or unprepared. If you ask me, it's such a cruel thing. What an odd thing to say. It's almost as though you... Were you daft enough to actually confront that monster without the proper protection? That sort of monster can only be slain by a certain type of blade, and one we can very much prepare for you, but it would take a long time. 14 moons. That's how long that would take. Yes. The moon cycle is a very popular way to tell time. We aren't given the luxuries of you humans, and we prefer not to. Open your ears. Can you hear that? The nature around us, that is what guides us. And I guess that I'm fortunate, because it led me right to you when you needed me most. Of course. What sort of fool am I? I haven't even introduced myself. My name is Cersei. I know. It's quite the name, isn't it? Yes, I have spoken to humans before. We're not solitary. We're lucky. We live in peace between the two of us. Humans and we elves, we see alike. Though we see things with a bit more clarity. Our senses are more enhanced, but you all are definitely more skilled than us when it comes to swords. We're more in tune with magics and bows. I guess that would be what you'd call stereotypes, yes? But it doesn't bother me. Ah, goodness me! Your arm. Here, hold still. Let me look at it. Oh dear. You must be more injured than I thought. Please do not worry. Don't put too much strain on it. You'll only injure yourself more. Don't do that. At least let me bind it for you. There we are. There we are. That's much better. How do you feel? I'm more of an attack sort, so my spells are more for killing monsters and defense and other things. so I'm not fortunate enough to be a healer. But if you'll allow me, I can take you back to my village, and we can get you a healer. Human, please, that matter of monster was not the sort that you are prepared for. And if you don't get proper help, the kind that we know how to do, then we don't know what can happen to you. We've seen too many humans make this mistake. I am aware that you do not know me well, if at all, and I do not know you, but I want to help because I am not so heartless as to just allow you to fend for yourself. We have the same blood. We are creatures of the same world. We should take care of each other. We should be friends. I do find you very endearing. What are you trying to say? You were fighting with your friends, and you got separated from them. Fear not. We will make sure you're treated, and we'll make sure that they know that you are not in danger once we find them. How will I know them? How will any of us know them? Travelers tend to carry certain sigils. Yes, they have different sigils for things that they carry around so people know their purpose. I can see yours clear as day, pinned to your chest. Cross swords. You must be a fledgling, since that monster doesn't seem like one you fought before. You are very, very lucky. Those are very savage beasts. Yes, I have faced one before. Oh, I can tell you, I did not have fun. Almost got my arm snapped in two. But that was centuries ago. And now I have grown, both as an elf and in my powers. So now, hopefully it'd be more like child's play. Why, yes, it's exactly like that. And again, why are we spending so much time talking about me? We have more pressing matters to deal with. Can you stand? Oh, got you. Please, let me help. What? Have you never seen this manner of creature before? Yes. We have many of them. This is called a griffin. Have you seen one before? They're very proud creatures. So, go ahead, you can pet him. He won't mind. It always warms my heart to see him getting along with others. He didn't used to be like that. But either way, up you go. Now scoot back a little. Now hold on to me very tightly, okay? We're going to my village, and we're going to get you healed. I promise you, we'll take good care of you. So please, relax, take a deep breath. I will take care of you. We will all take care of you. This one's the 10th human in this month. I was starting to get very worried. Not just these monsters, but the undead. It would seem that the necromancer is once again awake.